Hey guys, first video of 2021. What I'm gonna do is recap really quick everything I did last year to the 87 convertible project, and I'm going to let you know about, I wouldn't say it's a project, but I have a new toy. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time on it this spring. Well, who knows what I'm gonna do, but it's not going to be a big part of the channel, but I am going to probably do some things and videotape it. So here we go. So yeah, here's the 87. It's pretty much right where it left off last year. If you notice over here, you're going to see some new stuff. So here's my Subaru. I just washed it. And here we go, guys. Here's the new toy. 2013 regular cab, short box, 4x4. 30,000 miles, rust-free. Rust-free doesn't mean much to certain people in certain parts of the country, but it means an awful lot in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Yeah, nice shape. Nice color. It's really clean. The chrome package. Chrome package is going away. So what I'm going to be doing is putting these big tires on it. They're 18 by 8.5, so they're taller and an inch wider. And I'm going to put these flares on. These are Lund flares. They're textured. They're going to match all of the other plastic on the vehicle. And this is an original OEM grill that I just bought off Craigslist. Don't ask me why the owner took it off right when he bought it. Maybe he put an aftermarket bumper on. I don't know what he did, but I picked this up for pretty cheap. Well, I take that back. I paid a fair price for it, but in the world of OEM car parts, it was a good price for something that clean. So my plan is with the truck to black out the entire front or get rid of all the chrome. So the side caps, these are plastic. This is metal. I can get all this stuff in black. I'd like to get OEM equipment. So I'm probably just gonna take this one slow and just buy stuff as I see a good deal for OEM equipment in good shape. So yeah, that's my toy for the summer. It's going to distract me a little bit. In fact, that's what I'm going to be doing this weekend. So here, the Corvette. Yeah, let's talk about that. So last year, I did a lot of work to the suspension. None of that was planned. The suspension's done. So all I have to do to get this thing on the road is get the alignment. And I have the alignment good enough that I can drive it around the block and such. And maybe I can drive it further, I have no idea. But as you can see, I'm gutting the interior. So that's what I'm going to be doing this year. I'm going to just rip out all the carpet. I'm just going to clean everything. And while the carpet's ripped out, I am going to put a better stereo in the vehicle. I'm going to just do this right while the carpet is out. So that's probably my first big project. This is going to be a drivable project car. I probably will not put the passenger seat back in it anytime soon. I will put the driver's seat back in without the carpet and drive the vehicle around. I'm going to look into getting this vehicle painted this year. I'm working on a couple things. And we'll see what happens. I don't know what I'm going to do as far as color. If I'm just going to stick to my original plan and put it in black primer, I don't know. My thought is I'm probably not going to stop there. If I go that far, I'm probably just going to paint it. That would be the time to do it. So I have I have some mismatched colors, so you can't see it. I don't have it here in the garage, but my passenger side fender is red. My hardtop is the burgundy, or the anniversary year color, 93. This is red. This is an aftermarket bumper. We've talked about this before. It's a later model. I mean, I like the rounded rear bumper. I am just going with the original notchback on this car, so I have one that's red. This vehicle does need needs a new rocker. The mounting tabs are broken off. I have another rocker. In fact, it's right here. It's black rose, left over from another project that's in really good shape. So I'm going to use that. So that's a different color. So even to prime it, it's going to be a lot of work. So since I'm going to have everything apart, and I'll be able to do a good job priming it, I'll also be able to do a good job painting it. So there's a good chance that that's probably what I'm going to be doing this year. As far as all the mechanical things I did to the car last year, I will probably go over that in in an upcoming video, just to catch everybody up what I did. If people have any questions about the things that I did, and we'll just go from there. So this weekend, it's going to be the Chevy, the truck. So I'll be working on that. I do not know if I'm going to put the grill in yet. I'm undecided on that. But I am going to do the wheel flares and the tires. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned for more videos. There's gonna be a lot going on this year. All right, the flares and wheels are on. The Lund flares are legit. They have a perfect fit all the way around, front and back. Gorgeous. I can tell the difference already just by looking at it with the larger diameter and width wheels. The truck definitely looks a lot better.